In this tutorial on traditional window cleaning, we'll show you several techniques for cleaning windows with a telescopic pole, from very simple to more challenging. Let's go! For beginners, telescopic poles with standard cleaning tools are best. But if you've already mastered that, you can take it a step further and clean with swivel tools as an even more efficient option. In this video, we'll show you both options, so let's get started. You only need a few tools to get started with the standard technique. A bucket, liquid, microfiber glass cloth, a microfiber surface cloth, window squeegee, an applicator, and a telescopic pole. To get familiar with the technique in general, let's show it first without the telescopic pole. First, of course, we wash the window with the washer. In the second step, you squeegee it first at the top and then at the sides, like this. You put the window squeegee on the top left at this angle and pull it straight through to remove all the water along the top frame. You'll get a perfect line. When you pull the squeegee down, keep it slightly angled. Only at the bottom you move it parallel again. In this way, you avoid annoying streaks at the top and sides. With this movement, you clean the entire window. That's it. That's the principle. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now we come to the cleaning with the telescopic pole. The principle is the same. First, you set the telescopic pole to the appropriate working height. One hand holds the handle at the bottom. The other hand is the guiding hand of the pole. Always ensure an ergonomic posture when cleaning. Stand with one leg forward, the other slightly back. During the cleaning movement, always shift the weight from the front leg to the back leg. This reduces tension and overload. We start with the applicator. You can remove stubborn dirt from the window with the integrated scrub pad of the washer. Now we clean the window with the window squeegee in the same technique as just without the telescopic pole. Finally, we take a microfiber surface cloth to clean the window frame and sill. We take the microfiber glass cloth to clean the corners and edges. Next, we'll show you the swivel technique. It's a bit more challenging, but has the same principle. Washing the window is done in the same way as in our standard technique. The difference is in the work with the window squeegee, because for the swivel technique, you need a swivel squeegee. When using the window squeegee, you should not hold the telescopic pole too firmly with your upper hand, but only loosely. In other words, the thumb and index finger of the upper hand should not apply any pressure to the pole. This would prevent a fluid movement. The bottom hand of the handle of the telescopic pole is the key to smooth movement. We start with the window squeegee at the top left and pull it to the right. As we do this, we always hold it at an angle so that the top end always runs slightly in front of the bottom end of the window squeegee, allowing the water to always run off the bottom. If the upper end of the window squeegee is behind its lower end, streaks will appear because the water always runs over the top. Tip: always focus on the front overhanging end of the window squeegee. It doesn't matter what the bottom end is doing. You will automatically come back to that area later and clean it then. Pay special attention to the corners. When you get there with the front end of the squeegee, go down in one motion, turning the squeegee all the time. If you stop in the corner and rotate the squeegee abruptly, streaks will appear. The whole thing must always be a fluid motion. So, just keep your top hand on the pole with light pressure and making the turning motion with your bottom hand on the handle that guides the window squeegee. As soon as you move into the swivel motion, ease off a little. Done. The perfectly cleaned window. By the way, if you have a few streaks, no problem. That's why you have the glass cloth for polishing and touching up. Simple, isn't it? We wish you lots of fun and success in trying out and learning this technique, and of course, always perfect cleaning results. And always remember, practice makes perfect. As soon as you have the technique down, the speed will come all by itself.